Hi, my name is Kevin, and today I'll be talking about RNA GPS. You can think of RNA as being the RAM inside of a cell. It expresses genetic information in a format that can then be consumed by other cellular components. As you might imagine, the localization, or where these RNA transcripts go within each cell, is incredibly important to its functionality. RNA GPS is a machine learning model that we have developed to predict this localization behavior based on the sequence of the transcript itself. We can then use RNA GPS to study biological systems in silico. For example, we were able to look at the SARS-CoV-2 virus, the virus that causes COVID-19, and predict that its transcripts have an affinity for the host's mitochondria. This hypothesis has then led to multiple experiments that have since confirmed the existence of this biological interaction.
Hi everyone, my name is Maya and I am a computer science PhD student. In this project, we evaluate a child's social phenotype from home videos in an effort to aid with diagnosis of autism spectrum disorder, or ASD. Our team created a mobile health application called Guess What and collected over 11 hours of video footage depicting children engaged in gameplay in a natural home environment. We utilize automated data annotations to analyze two social indicators: gaze fixation patterns and visual scanning motifs. Our work identifies one statistically significant region of gaze fixation and one significant visual scanning pattern that differed between neurotypical children and children with ASD during gameplay. In addition, a deep learning model trained on coarsely labeled social engagement features demonstrates mild predictive power in identifying the presence of ASD. Ultimately, our results demonstrate the utility of game-based mobile health platforms in providing insights into disease diagnostics. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Kevin Thomas and I'm an MD PhD student in the Neuromuscular Biomechanics lab at Stanford. We work to develop solutions for diseases that affect human mobility. One example is knee osteoarthritis, which is a painful condition that affects millions across the globe. We've developed a deep learning model to assess the severity of patients' knee osteoarthritis from their x-rays. To make this model more accessible, we've developed and deployed it as a web app that I'll show you now. By dragging and dropping an image from your computer into your browser in the web app, within seconds, you get a 0 to 4 score for how severe the patient's knee osteoarthritis is, as well as an estimate of the model's confidence in that conclusion. As new models are analyzed, they appear in your browser too. By distributing our model in this easy-to-use format, we've enabled the Hospital for Special Surgery in New York to validate our model on their own clinical images without the need to do any programming. We're excited to expand this soon in order to automatically assess MRIs as well.
Hi, everybody. My name is Lavertu. I'm a fifth-year BMI PhD student here at Stanford. I'll be talking about COVID fast facts today. The problem we were trying to address here is that local health departments still receive a large part of their disease reports via fax machine, but due to COVID, the volume of faxes they received changed drastically and kind of overwhelmed the existing system. So the solution we developed as part of this project was an AI-based system for automated case annotation and triaging that would essentially go through those received faxes, identify relevant reports, and prioritize them for caseworker follow-up. This system has been actively deployed for several months at the local county health office and with very positive feedback, and we've definitely been helping on the ground. And so if you want to learn more about the project, you can go to helix.stanford.edu/fastfacts. We have a medRxiv post as well as a Wired article that's written up about the project. We're currently looking into potential commercial applications for this, as well as being able to company to see if we can help further. So thank you.